I need to help you. They're, playing tennis. Right after that shit! Are you out of your fucking mind? Oh no! Did the deed for the first time after we moved. Oh my, it was amazing. We have great chemistry. Oh, no one but Peach. Ah! But the stress is too much. In fact, fuck a stream. We just we gotta do it for it's for your well-being, G7, so. Just don't post anything after the, just tennis, woo, yeah, that was a good tennis match. Made up with Peach and then things got a bit wild. Oh no! This fucking girl.
It's okay, oh no. Peach-chan, I love you. The music, I love you too. Can we... I didn't even get time to answer! What's something you guys really feel into these days? I mean, her stress went down! I guess that's good. I think that'll be... that lowers stress a lot. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I mean, if it makes her feel better. Oh my.
Fuck you! Let's play and then sleep through the night. That's probably good. Oh, she's too stressed and that's why it's like that. Ah. Okay. I see. This is like a cheat code, is it? 63. Stress goes down. Only so fucking little! 41. Is that gonna show something weird on stream? Question mark. Might have to take one for the team. Yes, no, yeah, no, really, not really. Okay. Okay, it's like Sims 4. Oh, no problem. It's actually less NSFW than Sims.
What happens if you press this? Does it show anything bad? Do I have to censor it? But I feel like we have to... I feel like we are at this point to keep her interested and within our grasp. Fine. It's safe for work. Because she's just sleeping, right? Going to bed. Okay. What's gonna happen? Ooh, why did it get dark? Oh, she loves her bed! If she don't love her bed! Did the deed for the first time after we moved in together. Have you not slept in a bed this entire time? It was amazing. We have great chemistry, both emotionally and physically. No one but Peach-chan can satisfy me now. Did I buy the bed? I have good tastes in beds. Thank you. Let's see.
I'm good.